Hey guys, this is James with the Impossible Channel, and we are going to talk about the new free energy source that has been found, that has been discovered, and this time it is really free. Why, for example, why aren't cars electric until today, and why aren't they ever gonna be? Because we would need to increase in yearly electricity demand, 30% of what we already use. Okay, so think about all the power plants around the world and all the pollution that it causes. If we had all cars changed and swapped for electrical cars, we would need to increase the use of this electricity. Is not free, it's not renewable. You would need to increase 30%, and that is totally not acceptable in this current scenery that we are right now, with so much pollution going on, so much problems, and droughts, huge storms. The last thing we want to do is increase the electricity demand by 30% because of electrical cars. And I'm going to tell you, this is a lie. We would not increase in 30%. We would increase much more than 30%. Okay. So this is I will present to you guys the new source of energy that is going to transform our lives in the future. Behold, BioLite.
Have you ever thought about creating electricity from plants, using the very nature of leaves as a solar panel? Months of investigation and development here in Bio have shown successful results. But anyways, let's just get to the point. This is my phone charger. A plant, yes. And no, I am not crazy. Just bear with me and I will explain how all of this works. We generate electricity from plants' photosynthesis, and this is all you need: a cable, a phone, and a plant. This system collects electricity during the whole day and night and uses it to charge your smartphone whenever you need it. Just like with any other phone charger, you just need to plug in the USB cable for the system to work. Use the cable you already own, like your device, because any phone works just fine. And there you go, your awesome plant is recharging your awesome phone, creating the greenest and most efficient electricity ever seen. Now let's take a look deeper inside. We have created a binary biological cell with a solid biomass layer and a biological microorganic solution, which activates in touch with water. Between these layers, we find the internal electrical circuit to store the energy and the cavity to create an oxygen flow inside. Above the system, we have installed a special semi-permeable grillage to contain the soil and allow the water to filter and purify. Firstly, remove the USB cable from the inside of the plant pot. Then, add some water to begin the activation process of the microorganisms, allowing them to distribute around the system. Now is the moment for you to add a plant, and cover up the gaps with some extra soil. Then, the organic substances generated from photosynthesis are attracted downwards without harming the plant in any way. These substances serve as nourishment for our bacteria, which have been previously isolated using our patented secluding process. They break up the waste, and some electrons are set free and travel through the nanowires created by these bacteria, from one electrode to the other in the most efficient way. At the same time, water is generated due to an excess of hydrogen. The current is driven towards the accumulator, supplying the USB connection for you to charge your device. Now is the time for you to place your BioLite wherever you want. Charge your smartphone, your tablet, ebook, or similar devices. So, now that you understand how all of this works, let's rewind a little bit. After all, our main goal doesn't only consist in selling plant pots. By supporting us with Lite, you are contributing for a much greater goal. Our aim is to be part of a revolution, to cover the whole world with trees. So if plants nourished ourselves in the past, they will nourish our cities in the future.